Welcome to APIsec. Let's take a tour around the main UI. This is the main starting point, the applications dashboard. Here you can see all your applications and get a snapshot of their condition. Click See More to open and manage that application. To get started and add your first application, click the Add Application button. This will bring up the UI to provide your API specification or connect to an API gateway. These graphs will show you how your API vulnerabilities are trending. And on the left is the main menu navigation. Here you can access this page as well as other key pages. Security Hub provides a global view of vulnerabilities across all your applications. Hosted Agents is where you can set up and manage on-premise API scanners. The Integrations area lets you configure integrations with API gateways, ticketing systems, CI/CD pipelines, and more. And the Categories menu allows you to view and manage security test categories. In the bottom left, you can access and manage your account team members. The Help Center contains useful tutorials and videos to get started. Use the Write to Us feature to request help, report an issue, or provide product feedback. You can also access your API token here and sign out. In the top right, you can access alerts and announcements, as well as your personal profile and account information. Thanks for watching. Visit the Help Center in the lower left of your screen for more video tutorials.